The security module right now really focuses on security-related HTTP headers, really. Of course, you don't need a module for that, or you can write your own. You can just add the headers directly. But the point here was, well, to provide some defaults, and secondly, provide a way to easily configure them also from the admin, which is especially interesting, of course, if you have a multi-tenant application and you don't want to hand configure everything for everybody from code. And how it works is that, well, you enable the security feature, and now under security settings, oh no, I didn't get the latest.
Yeah, you need to update to the latest. We fixed that.
but didn't I do that? Oh, that's sad. Yeah. So as Sebastian also pointed out, the in main there was a fix because there was an issue with the UI. This one that we didn't actually notice during review because it needs bootstrap code from main. So let me actually restart the whole app behind the scenes. Until it's loading, what you would see here is a UI to, well, edit the security headers. Also a note here, the UI, the admin UI is not the only way to edit them. So just as with all these technical modules, it's also possible to configure it from the environment, from app settings or something like that. There's also an example included there, similar to this one. So you can also have the same configuration for the whole application, regardless of admin configs, but you can also have admin configs separate for every tenant if you have a multi-tenant application. So let's try again, and now I see it. So all of these are, well, very technical, so I wouldn't go into that because, well, they are all very well explained on MDN or something like that. But the main sections is that we have content security policy related headers, pretty much all of those that are widely used and supported by browsers. We also have permission policy headers, so everything related to various peripherals, devices, etc. And finally, we also have one configuration for referral policy. You may notice that we don't have anything related to HTTPS here, which is indeed the case. The HSTS header configuration is currently in the HTTPS module. One of the ideas is to bring everything from there into the security module as well, hence why the name of the module is also security and not just security headers or something like that. And yeah, believe me, these actually work, because if we check this out, I hope that's not broken on main in the meantime. Yeah, so the referral policy is now no referral, and of course, if we change it to something like origin, then yeah, well, not here because this is just a post. Then we see it being changed. So it actually works. The same thing happens from F settings or other ASP.NET configuration providers too. So if you would like to use it, check out the latest source or the latest nightly build, and check out, of course, the documentation as well.
Just a stupid comment. Why isn't the security menu inside configuration?
I don't think anybody thought about this consciously. Well, it's security, and there were already settings for security.
Because introducing a new top-level menu item is not something we do quite often, or when there is a new just module. Even if there are two modules, like today HTTPS would be in configuration. And probably in the configuration, then security, then HTTPS, probably.
But it's not a new one. The security is already there by the users module or the roles module.
Okay,
Both.
sure.
And we also had settings for login settings, and I think registration settings. That's fun here as well.
But if it was there, I didn't say anything. Security settings.
Yep. All right. So that's about it, I guess.